Fuck you for laughing.
What the fuck is going? What the fuck is going? It's kind of like diagonal.
Where? Where's the diagonal? That's his hair, bro.
Oh,
That's his head shape.
oh, is there a new trend in here?
Bro, this is not me, you know that, right? That's how his hair grows.
Okay. 아, 진짜 이제 여기 토론토에 이번 주는 진짜 봄이 찾아왔어요, 여러분. 여기 지금 반바지를 입고 있어요, 지금. 반바지를 입고서 춥지가 않네요. 오늘은 그나저나 이렇게 왜 밤에 갑자기 영상을 키게 됐느냐. 사실 오늘 일 끝나고 너무 피곤해서 그냥 쉬려고 했는데 이제 같이 일하는 친구들이 니네 집에서 오늘 술을 한잔 마신다고 해가지고 필참이라고 하더라고요. 그래가지고 가게 됐습니다. 지금 시간 현재 9시 40분. 내일도 일을 해야 되는데 애들은 체력이 왜 이렇게 좋은 거야 진짜로. 나 좀 쉬고 싶은데 어쨌든 그래서 지금 우버를 기다리고 있고요. 나도 갈 건데 그러면 카메라 가져가도 돼? 이러니까 뭐 상관없다고 하더라고요. 그러면 다행이다. 어차피 요즘에 좀 컨텐츠도 좀 없었는데 친구 집 가가지고 애들이 얼마나 미친놈들인지 한번 제가 찍어서 보여드리면 좋지 않을까. 그리고 외국 친구들은 이렇게 논다. 집에서 항상 이렇게 논다라는 걸 좀 보여드리고 싶어가지고 택시를 기다리고 있는데 언제 오는 거야?
Okay,
Now we're going to
it's my childhood room. I like to prep.
this place. Okay. So nobody here?
No,
Only you?
No.
Okay.
Who the fuck over my
Look at my team. Okay.
Oh.
It's not your place, huh? Okay. So we're going to the next place. Go. It's a room tour. Wow, it's so good, bro.
These are all my albums.
Oh, it's so good.
Random albums.
How many girls die here?
How many?
Many to tell. Too many to tell.
How many? Oh, but the band is not that big, huh? Okay, so good, Nick. Oh, what's the trophy?
No.
What's the trophy?
Okay, we're leaving the house.
What?
No.
Well, is it secret?
I'm gonna smash Martine. One
Oh
second.
my god. Oh, guys, how was it?
Oh my god.
Oh, how was the knit?
It's paradise.
It was paradise.
Paradise.
Okay, thank you, Nick. Okay, so you guys drinking now?
Yeah. Okay, wait. You want to see our cocktail making list?
Okay. What? Wow.
We're running out of alcohol. We barely have any whiskey
vodka.
left. Barely any vodka. Barely any rum left.
So how did you make this? Bombay and a blueberry from Spatio.
Yeah,
okay.
and like a few other things too.
Yeah.
It's just Ondine. Very intense.
Yeah, but it's so good.
Very good.
Oh my
Very
god.
yummy. So you have to
Oh yeah. Okay. Okay.
drink. Come on.
Ivy. You guys drank a lot?
Yes.
From
The vlog.
From the vlog. Okay. What the fuck is this? Is it tequila? Vodka?
Whoa. Wow. 200 pounds.
200.
Wow. Oh my god. Wow. Let's go home. Let's go. Yes, sir. That's what we do. Who's number one Korean? It's me. It's you.
I'm gonna make the cocktail. Okay. Why should I make it? It's a Canada Dry and it's a Bacardi, and this is a Jose Crowder. So I'm gonna. Ooh, what's this? Look at this, guys. 저도 이게 뭔지 모르겠어요. 이거 뭐지? 이걸 한번 넣어볼까? What?
Are you vlogging?
Yeah. I'm vlogging right now.
Is he actually?
이걸 일단 넣고
Sorry. No, sorry.
스트로베리를 넣을게요. 스트로베리를. 콜라를 넣을게요. 콜라. 아 색깔 너무 쓰레기인데?
Where's the cocaine? Where's Connie? Call her over cocaine.
Shut up, man.
I need to skip this.
Yeah, I'm making cocktail right now. 그 마지막 바카디를 첨가를 할게요. 한번 맛을 볼게요. I'm done, guys. Who wanna try first? Yeah, no. 2 articles in it. Yeah, 2. And the other beverage in there.
It
Yeah.
smells really good.
Oh, really?
Okay,
Okay, smell it.
You used to love this song.
No, it's
I made it for you.
Definitely strawberry smoothie.
Oh, yeah. Okay, and next?
Bacardi.
Okay.
Triple sec.
Yes.
It tastes smoky.
Okay, so you got a 3? And one more.
who has been drinking wine?
Lemon.
Color is the hint. The color. It's a little bit brown. The color. The Coke.
Oh, there's Coke in there.
Yeah, Coke in there. I put the Coke, yeah. So Coke, strawberry smoothie, triple sec, and a Bacardi.
Hoon, cardio warrior. Go ahead.
Come on, Hoon. Wait, no. You have to jog and do this. Oh, shit. Like this? Come on, Hoon. Come on, Hoon. Who are we?
I'm gonna do one thing though. They come, they go. See you Sunday, Monday. Let's see you at the show tonight. Loved it.
Oh my god, so handsome.
Give me a kiss to the camera.
Kong vibes or Kong air is sexist. He only looks at the bunda. If you don't have bunda, if you don't have the pussy, Martin, what are we looking at? Yes, her. He's checking off.
What are you looking at?
Oh yeah, that. No.
Go. No. One more try.
One more.
This is the last chance, okay, fucking bitch? This is the last chance. Okay, let's go. Whoa!
Like I'm your man.
Oh, it's like a music video.
Just a fan. You don't know.
Wow, look at this place.
You chilling, son?
Oh my god. What, Nick? What is this room?
Don't go in. It's my dungeon, bro.
Is it dungeons?
Bring them all.
So we're gonna do Nick's haircut. I will make you Will Smith, bro.
I will be Will Smith.
So you ready?
Professional, bro.
Are you used to it, this clipper?
Yeah.
Really?
I've cut Nick's hair
How did you know
twice.
that? How did you know that?
Because I cut Nick's hair twice now.
Really?
Yeah, bro.
Second time. It's the second time.
Doesn't he look like a British black boy?
You what?
Smoking Halloween a month
Wait. You really know how to do it?
Yeah, I do. Don't even.
Okay.
Roll another one.
Oh, look at it.
Whoa.
Fuck you for laughing.
What the fuck is going? It's kind of like diagonal.
Where? Where's the diagonal? That's his hair, bro.
Oh.
That's his head shape.
Oh, is there a new trend in here?
Bro, this is not me. You know that, right? That's how
Oh.
his hair grows.
Okay. Let her do it.
One hair?
Yeah, just one hair.
I usually do it.
One hair?
Just one hair. Martin, just one hair. Let her do it. Just one hair.
You usually do it, so you can try one hair.
Okay. Just one hair. Just one hair. No worries, bro. Look at that. She's so good. She was
He doesn't really
working.
have that many.
Yeah. She's working in a nail shop.
I usually do it.
Ah, cut it. I cut it.
Nick, I'm just joking. I love you.
Like, I don't know what's happening. It's over, like,
I'm gonna trim it. I'm gonna trim closer here.
Look here.
Look here.
What's that?
He's like the perfectionist that's like,
Oh my god. You're the fucking designer. Okay. Look at this Brazilian. So cute.
It's not equal yet because I'm not done. Guys, his hair is brushed out. It's not at its full potential.
Okay.
Like, see how much hair is still coming out when I
But I mean,
brush
like-
it?
I mean,
Okay, wait, I'm gonna blend it.
I'm in this part. You know, like I'm in that part.
It's covered. See?
Oh yeah.
See, it's covered.
Oh
See?
fuck. How
You
did
guys
do
aren't
it?
getting my vision, bro.
Oh.
This is like a vision.
Oh
You
my
don't get it.
god.
Hey.
Dawn on you with the pick and roll. Go.
You know what? Hey.
Nick, stop on it.
I know. Half of this is because of you.
And my post someone vomits on your
Is this fucking you up? You're letting it happen? No. It's not a Korean god.
It's not a Korean god.
Oh my god, he's so cute. Oh my god, he's so charming. He's adorable. He's gorgeous. Go to take a shower. Okay. Yeah, Nick, take a shower first.
Don't record me taking a shower, you freak.
No, it's so good.
Fucked it up.
You fucked it.
Guys, who fucked it up?
You
I had to
fucked-
fix it.
You fucked it up.
Fucking talk to me.
No, I'm a Leonardo da Vinci.
Name me one of by Leonardo da Vinci.
Huh?
Exactly.
Mona Lisa. Right, yeah. Can I take a video while you shower?
Yeah, let's go, guys. Okay, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah, boy. We're gonna get dirty. Oh, yeah. We're gonna smash. Yeah. Yes, sir.
We're gonna do something. We're gonna do something. Oh, no. I posted on YouTube, bro. Bro, we are on the way. Why are you going to pee? Bro, I need to go to my home.